Do you feel like you are not good enough? Do you think you cannot succeed? Today's story will change your mind. It will show you how to believe in yourself and break your invisible chains. Hello everyone. Before we start, please subscribe to History English channel. Let's learn English together through this beautiful story. Once there was a young boy named David. David was a very quiet boy. He lived in a small village. David had a problem. He did not have self confidence. He always thought, I am not smart or I cannot do this. He was afraid to speak to others. One day, a circus came to the village. David went to see the animals. He saw a very big elephant. This elephant was huge and very strong. It could easily break a tree or a house. But David saw something strange. The giant elephant was tied to a small wooden sticks with a very thin rope. There were no big chains. There was no cage. The elephant was just standing there quietly. David was very surprised. He thought, the elephant is so strong. Why doesn't it break this thin rope and run away? It is very easy for him. David saw the trainer of the elephant nearby. He asked the trainer, Sir, why is this big elephant standing here? Why doesn't it try to escape? That rope is very weak. The trainer smiled and said, David, it is a secret. When this elephant was a baby, he was very small. At that time, we used the same thin rope to tie him. The baby elephant tried to break the rope many times, but he was not strong enough. He failed again and again. The trainer continued. After some time, the baby elephant started to believe that the rope was stronger than him. Now, he is a giant and very powerful, but he still believes he cannot break the rope. So, he does not even try. He is a prisoner of his own mind. David looked at the elephant and felt sad. But then he realized something important. He was just like the elephant. For many years, David believed he was not good enough because of some small mistakes in the past. He was tied by an invisible rope of fear and doubt. I will not be like this elephant, David said to himself. He started to change. He started to talk to his friends. He started to answer questions in class. At first, he was a little scared, but he did not stop. Every day, his confidence grew bigger and bigger. 1 month later, there was a competition in this school. It was an English speaking competition. In the past, David was too afraid to join. But this time, he remembered the elephant. He said, I can do this. David went to the stage. Many people were looking at him. His heart was beating fast. But he took a deep breath and started to speak. His voice was clear and simple. When he finished, everyone clapped for him. David won the first prize, but more importantly, he won his self-confidence. He broke the invisible rope of fear. He learned that if you believe in yourself, you can do anything in the world. From this story, we can learn 3 important lines. Number 1. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Number 2. Your past mistakes do not define your future. You are stronger than you think. Number 3. The only thing stopping you is your own fear. Break your invisible rope today. If you like this story, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. If you want to watch more stories like this to learn English, please subscribe our channel. Keep learning and stay confident. Thank you.